This photo shows the lower part of Tredegar during the Industrial Revolution. A large part of the photo is taken up with the railway. The train station and coaches can be seen in the middle of the picture, while lots of sidings filled with trucks can be seen at the bottom. These tracks would have been used for T-Trist colliery, which is just out of the picture. The trucks appear to be filled with wooden tree trunks, which would have been used as pit props to hold up the roof when mining, or for burning in the furnaces of the ironworks. On the left of the picture is the head offices for the Tredegar Iron and Coal Company, which ran most of the collieries around the Tredegar area. Sadly, this building burnt down in the year 2000. Today, this office is being rebuilt as homes, but as you can see, there is nothing left of the railway or sidings, and in their place is Tredegar Comprehensive School.